Oman Airports is a government-owned company, operate international airports such as Muscat, Salalah, and Sohar, plus Duqm Airport and other 3 oil and gas airports. Decision to modernize Muscat and Salalah Airport is to meet the expectation of airlines, passengers in terms of capacity and technology. The challenge at that time is to meet passengers and tourist demands. That's why we are the gateway for beauty and opportunities.
The main challenges faced Oman airports during the transition to the new airport was the full engagement of the stakeholders from all aspects, operation-wise, security-wise, and the baggage team operate on the new facility and system.
We select Vanderland, as their reputation in the world into doing this service of baggage handling system. From 2012, the project was starting, to installation all the part in the BHS, and during this timing for the project, it was good experience to know how to installation and commissioning. 2015 airport was opening, so the system, the baggage handling system was ready to open it, and there was no issue. Beyond of this, the training, the system ready, testing, commissioning, everything was ready before the opening. The benefit in this baggage handling system that have a new technology, and is ensuring, if any breakdown or any happening, the system can work 24 hours with other plan or solution.
Since the new terminal is a big milestone in the aviation sector within Oman, Vanderland have proven that they are state-of-the-art systems. By that, it's a fully automated system that reduces the human error, improves the baggage delivery time, and serves the exact needs and requirements by the company. It's not only a new system to the airport itself, it's a new system and technology that is introduced to the country. So it needs to be served and maintained by an expert. Vanderland have proven their expertise on the field, and it's getting transferred from Vanderland to our team locally here.
Vanderland brought to Oman Airport a very skilled personnel to operate the provided complex system, which has added a value to Oman Airports. I believe it has been a very successful relationship or partnership between Oman Airports and Vanderland. Especially there is an area for development and improvement when it comes to technology and providing best solution.
Vanderlande, moving your business forward.